that when he accepted Ahmadiyyat, then he told his wife that I have accepted Ahmadiyyat, and I also advise you that this prophecy about the coming of Imam Mahdi, which was made by the Holy Prophet ﷺ, he has come. And today I have done the bath and I have accepted. And I also advise you to do the bath. And the wife opposed strongly. And she said that Ahmadis are kafir, non-believers. And this is what the mullahs have told all the people. It is not only the Pakistan or India or other country, wherever the Muslims are there, these non-Ahmadi mullahs, they do try to reach there, and from the Arabs, and they always declare the Ahmadis as kafir, non-believer. Either you leave the Ahmadiyyat or you leave me. Anyway, he said that I am not going to leave Ahmadiyyat. Anyway, so she went to the house of her parents, and Jallo Sahib says that I started praying for my wife, that, oh my Allah, just as you have enabled me to come to the right path, so enable my wife as well to follow the same path. For continuously for 5 years I continued praying Allah Almighty, and I was never disappointed from the blessing. This was his steadfastness. After 5 years, my wife telephoned me and to say that I seek your pardon and I seek forgiveness from Allah Almighty. Jallo Sahib says, surprising, that what happened? Why this big change? The wife said that I have seen in the dream tonight and I realized that I was wrong and you were right. The wife said that I saw in the dream that I am standing on the other side of the river in a beautiful place, and from where the light is coming out, and people are crossing the river in large number and accepting that and going there. So I thought that I should also go and cross there. So there was somebody standing on the river bank, and he said that that place is only for the Ahmadis who have accepted Imam Mahdi. At that time, I replied that my husband is Ahmadi, but he replied that not because that your husband is Ahmadi, you can go there. So at that point I woke up and I was crying and weeping at that time. I realized that Ahmadiyyat is the true Islam, and therefore I want to do the bath and join the community. So, and this thing indicates that he left his wife for the sake of religion, and not only this much, and that was the end of the matter. There was kindness for the wife and for the humanity, and steadfastness was there. So he prayed for his wife. As I said, continuously for 5 years he continued to pray, and after 5 years, when Allah Almighty tested his steadfastness, and after 5 years the prayer was accepted, and this sign was also manifested.